Watermelon juice, it's one of the happy summer drinks. It's really, really good for you, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm Nora Day. Let's make our fun watermelon juice. Today, I have gotten an organic watermelon. This is the smaller variety. I like the smaller varieties because sometimes they're a little sweeter and they work really nice for the juice. You know, watermelons are mostly water. And since they are mostly water, they flush out your system nicely. They're very high in potassium, which gives a nice clean out in your system as well. And it's really good for your skin. So look at us. We're multi-purposing with our watermelon juice. So I like to cut the watermelon in half. Ta-da! Look at that beauty. Wow, love this. I like to cut the watermelon in a few pieces. So those of you that eat watermelon a lot, I would like to recommend that you juice it once in a while, because when you juice the watermelon, it really goes a long way. This whole watermelon is about $4 or $5. If you want to buy maybe an 8-ounce bottle of watermelon juice at the store, it's going to be about $5. This whole watermelon will make you about 4 of those. So this is incredibly cost effective. It's organic, it's fresh, and you're making it yourself. I don't worry about the seeds. If there's a few seeds, I let the seeds go in the juice. By taking the rind off, I get that really bright red color, which I really find as a mood enhancer. Red is always an uplifting color, which is why it's a nice, happy, fun summer drink, because the colors do make a difference. Colors make a difference when you drink things. The difference is it brings a mood to your system and a mood to your mind. If you're thinking happy and it makes you really feel good, it's going to make you happy and feel really good inside your stomach. So let's start juicing this beauty. Make sure your pieces are small enough that they fit in the juicer. So we've talked about that high water content. It has high electrolytes. Something like a coconut has high electrolytes, so does a watermelon. Look at all the juice. I haven't even juiced half of this watermelon, and I'm getting quite a bit of liquid out of this. As with most of these mono juices, you want to start a little lower in your dose. Your dose could be 8 ounces or 16 ounces to start with, and then you might up that a little bit as you get used to that and your system gets used to this really intense, clean watermelon juice. So again, this is half a watermelon. That's quite a bit of juice in here. Let's put a little more in there. So the best way to make your juices is to juice only what you know that you're going to drink, so you don't store it, so you get all of the benefits from your fresh juice. This is an unbelievable amount of juice with hardly any pulp coming out. So again, it is so rich in the water, you're getting all of the watermelon. So think about it, if you're gonna sit and eat an entire watermelon, that's pretty difficult, but I can drink it. So let's see what we got here with our beautiful watermelon juice. Ah, it's like a ruby red. Isn't it pretty? Whoa, that's rich. Oh, beautiful. Ah, look at that. Oh, let's try it. Oh, woo! That's excellent. And I want to tell you on watermelon juice, you are going to get little bits of the watermelon in there. So it's very fiber rich, which is another great way for a nice clean out in your body. I really like that I can a little bit taste that watermelon too. It's not a clean juice. You could always strain it and it would be a very clean juice. I prefer not to strain it because I do want those little bits of the watermelon. Keep making your organic juices at home. You're gonna feel better on the inside and you're gonna be glowing on the outside. Enjoy.